Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are unboxing, or unwrapping, however you want to pronounce it, The Phoenician Scheme by Wes Anderson. And I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it correctly this time in my out-of-theater action called The Phoenician Scheme. I don't know, it was a big stutter. But anyway, so normally I do not buy Wes Anderson films on standard releases because they always come to the Criterion Collection. And this is going to come to the Criterion Collection. I'm buying it on this for two reasons. One, it was on sale. This was less than $10. And two, it comes with a digital copy, which I do have most of those films on digital. So it's like, okay, well, I could justify this as a digital purchase because when the Criterion comes out, I will sell this one and I will replace it with the Criterion set. It has a cute little cover. They're not highlighting all of the actors in it, but needless to say, they're big actors like Tom Hanks, Scarlett Johansson, Bryan Cranston, who are also in this. They're only highlighting these three because they're the ones we spend the most time with. I like how it's called An American Empirical Picture by Wes Anderson. You know, kind of like how Spike Lee does his Spike Lee joint thing. So on the back, we see some pictures. Okay, and they're highlighting some of the actors like Benedict Cumberbatch and Jason Schwartzman. And was that? I don't know if that was Matt Damon. I don't think it was, but so they're highlighting it. There's a few special features. I don't think it's too much that's crazy. Chances are those are all being held back for the Criterion Collection release. When you take the slipcover off, it's pretty much the same thing. Now let's open this. This is a universal release, so they're usually pretty good about putting actual pictures on the discs, and I'm hoping for that as well here. So let's open this, and of course, first thing I'll do is I'll take the digital code out. But by the way, Universal no longer does those points things. I kind of missed that. And okay, here we go. So we have the Blu-ray, which is just on a standard disc. It's green for some reason. And then we have the image on the 4K disc. And I do appreciate that Universal continues to treat the 4K disc as a premium disc. Like, hey, we know you're paying a lot of money for these things, so we're going to make it look all fancy and everything. So that's great. Now, obviously, this is a very bare bones release. There's not a whole lot to talk about it. Again, it's just the movie and the slipcover and things like that. But again, I got this on sale, so I was able to justify it. For those who do not care about the digital copy, I can probably tell you to confidently wait. It's going to be part of the Criterion Collection. So, there's no reason to buy twice unless you really want that digital code, because it's like, well, look, I could either pay $15 for the digital copy digitally on Apple or Fandango, or I could pay $8 for this disc, get the digital code, and then sell it for $7 or $8 down the line with the Criterion. That made a lot more sense to me. That's the only reason I have this. But if you like this movie, I would highly encourage you to wait for the inevitable upcoming Criterion Collection release. But for those of you who do have this, are you enjoying it? What do you think of it? Like to know? Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. As always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.